Oh no, so many monkey here.
So actually,
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Batu Cave. Makikita niyo yung mga monkey. Then yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan sa ano to. Sa statwa.
only asking because whenever we were going in, the vendors are trying to get the
Yan ang big statwa din. Then nga nakikita nyo.
because their sale went through
Ooh,
whenever mom walks out. From
Look at
inside
that.
her bag, like a week long black
yan yung
swear God.
hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Then magpupunta doon sa pinaka loob.
Okay. So we
Ah.
can walk in there and
You need take off your shoes. This one. Let's go here.
different places. The main cave
We need to get the
free, and then there's
this
other
one.
ones you can enter into as well.
ticket.
Would like to do differently. And has some sort of a free each, something like that to get in. Right. They can go on top.
Yan guys yung cave. Wow. Yan yung loob ng cave. Then yan.
So
Ang ganda dito guys.
go down here.
Medyo madilim. Yeah, maybe. Then yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung doon sa ilalim.
Like what's this?
I don't know. You think you're allowed to go there? Maybe not.
Go there, no?
I don't know. No, maybe.
You can't. Right, so we're just going through here, remember us? See here?
Yan yung sa loob ng cave dito guys. Makikita nyo naman. First time ko pala magpasok sa cave kasi sa Palawan meron din doong Tabon Cave pero hindi ako nakapunta doon. Then yan yung makikita nyo dito.
There's another way in here, actually.
Tingnan nyo.
Our
Ooh!
projector signs and stuff, guys.
Ito yung loob niya.
Something good.
Wow! Yan yung loob ng cave.
Completely non-bread, okay?
Tingnan nyo yung loob. Medyo madilim lang ah.
Forget. My
Ooh!
goodness, like.
What's this? Yan ang may tutulo na
Hard to
tubig.
believe it's real.
Yeah, mami.
Yeah, it's not like a man-made thing.
No.
There's man-made lights in it.
It looks like it could be man-made because it's so smooth.
There's
You know.
names and stuff people have written.
Yan yung loob niya. Then, kailangan mag-ingat lang dito kasi nga.
Something. Momi, Ryan. I wonder if that's Ryan.
Yan. May mga tubig dito sa loob. Dating natin dito sa labas kung ano yung... Wow! Ang ganda ng labas. My goodness. Ito yung labas nito, yung mga design. Sobrang ganda. My goodness. Unang bisis ko makapunta ng cave, pero ito yung cave. Tingnan niyo yung design. Sobrang ganda naman dito. Ooh. Welcome to Shirashi. Yan guys, paakyat kami sa itaas ng cave. What's that? Oh, I think it's yours. Maybe. Din yan yung view sa gilid. May mga ilaw. Yan yung cave. Oh, kailangan natin ito magdahan-dahan kasi nga pataas. Parang nakakalula angat yung ulo. Yan. Yan, merong water dyan. Nakikita nyo? Wow.
Yeah, there's
Ganyan yung
more.
loob ng
Welcome to
cave.
Mars cave. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Like, down
Can't
there.
see that. Ganyan yung sa baba. Kikita nyo yan, puro
Oh,
mga
wow.
ilaw. Wow.
That's nice, man.
Lovely atmosphere,
Imagine
isn't
you
it?
owned this, and it was like your wee hideaway, like a wee cave.
Oh, yan, marami palang akyatan dyan sa may kabila at saka dito. Another cave. Tatlong cave dito sa loob.
Not suppressive, it's not like
Yan, pangalawang cave na akyatin namin. So, kailangan dahan-dahan lang. My God. Ah, grabe, nakakalula naman dito umakyat. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Hindi niya nakikita niyo yung water. Ooh. Oh my goodness, so scary here. Wow.
Here, look.
Wait,
Brad, look up here.
I'm so scared.
Look up here.
Wait, my sunglasses.
look at some
I
people
forgot
there.
it. Okay.
Wow. Guys, that is so cool.
Oh my goodness.
It's like feeling sensor.
Let's go up.
Yeah? You want to go ahead with me? You can flip. Have you tried it?
Okay. Ang daming step dito. Parang nakakatakot. My God. I feel like scared here. Oh my goodness. Like scary. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. Nandito na kami sa pangalawang cave. Yan yung makikita niyo dito.
Currently, the things are actually so high up still at this point.
Yan yung loob ng cave. Makikita nyo naman. Sobrang laki. Then dito, walang masyadong statua. Ilaw lang para medyo makita yung daanan. Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang taas ng cave dito sa loob. Wow. It's my first time here. First time ko makapasok sa kuweba. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ang loob. Sobrang ganda. Pinapaakit mo kami. Grabing daming step.
It's a busy enough food day, like. It's like that.
But it's going down. It's like hard work. I feel like hungry. Oh. Oh my God. Yan na yung sa loob. Sa pinakataas talaga. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. They give you water.
It's nice here. Oh wow. Oh.
There's a reason why there's chairs here.
Yan guys, ito sa loob ng cave. Pwede ka dito mag-pray. Then yung ito si Jolan. Magpapahinga. Yan yung loob ng cave. Sobrang lamig dito sa loob. Kasi nga ito yan, tingnan nyo. Siniminto para pwede ka dito pumasok. Then, pwede ka mag-upo. Pero bawal yung sapatos at saka tsinelas. Wow! Tingnan nyo yung loob ng cave. Kulay blue yung color sa ilaw. Wow! Yan guys, nakalabas na kami sa cave na 3 cave. Then ngayon nandito kami sa labas na. Merong another cave dito. Kaso free dito. Yung isa, 15 ringgit. Then yung makikita niyo yung mga ibon dito yan. Oh, sobrang dami. Wow. Yung mga bird. Then yun na si Delon at saka si Mami Paula. Then papunta na kami dito. Papunta na kami doon sa place na free lang, walang bayad. Then dito mayroong mga restaurant yan, rambutan, at saka mangustin, at saka coconut. Then ang dami ditong unggoy. Yan, makikita niyo yung mga unggoy, oh. Yan. Nakakatakot naman ito. Yan, tingnan niyo dito, sobrang daming tao. Wow! Yan. Saan ka magpunta, ang daming ibon at saka unggoy. Then yan yung place. Yan, makikita niyo yung place. Oh, ang daming isda dyan, ah. Ang daming isda, parang tilapia. Tingnan niyo yung view. Wow! Ang ganda.
Hello.
Ang ganda dito sa bayan, oh. May mga unggoy dito. Yan, kita nyo. Kumakain ng biskwit.
Just thing with the eyes. Like I said, fish is too. Hello, you okay?
Oh no.
I brought you some crusts.
Oh no. Ito na yung mga ibon dito at saka unggoy. My God. Tingnan nyo yung view. Sobrang ganda yan. May unggoy pa. Yan. Hello! Oo. Oh, oh. Yung mga ibon. Katuwa naman dito.
No, it's
Dalan! Dan yan yung place. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami ditong mga tao. Kaya si Mami Paula at saka si Delo nagpakain ng unggoy. Kaso ang problema, muntik na bulin si Delo. Hindi ko lang napa-videohan. Then meron dito mga shop sa labas ng Bato Cave. Makikita nyo yan. Then ito, yung way. Sobrang dami ng ibon dito. Then yan, temple ata yan siya. Wow. Ganda lang dito. Tingnan niyo yung mga ibon. Nakakatuwa. Yan si Delon at saka si Mami Paula sa hulihan pa. Naghahanap ng souvenir. Oh. Yan, puro ibon. Dan yun yung step na makikita nyo sa itaas. Ang daming ibon dito. Yan nakikita nyo. Wow. So many bird here. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
To Trafalgar Square.
Right. Look at Anne's first, Vin. You want to get it like...
Okay.
Right, man bird, look at that. Anne, look. Don't forget about Anne, look.
Okay. I'm just going looking at you.
Alright.
The shot of the
Yeah, that
Kalapati.
is so cool.
So many bird, you know. Wow.
Remember the film
You want to go to the
Home
top?
Alone where the bird lady?
Oh, you think of Home Alone?
Tingnan nyo dito, ang daming ibon. Nakakatuwa naman to. Wow. Woo! Nakakatuwa naman dito. Wow. First time ko makakita ng maraming ibon dito. Kakatuwa. Kaya yung bata guys, niluli niya yung mga ibon. Mami! Oh, wow! Yeah, it's so many bird here. Wow, look at that! So many! Oh my goodness, Mommy! Oh my goodness.
Right. Go through this.
Yeah,
This is...
let's go there. And tingnan niyo yung mga tao dito nag-picture taking. Then tingnan niyo yung steps, sobrang taas naman. Yes.
Can I try to get a different thumbnail?
Okay.
You'd lose your sandwich here.
Okay.
That's brilliant, man.
Wow, it's so amazing here, you know. Look at that, Mommy. The step is so high. You think what's there in
Need
the
to
top?
stop for a wee
Oh my
bite to eat
goodness.
first.
Is there a wee place to have a picnic in the middle of that?
I don't know. No, middle.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Tingnan niyo dito, ang daming mga
Middle of the steps. And do you know what?
Watch out for the monkeys. Look.
tao dito.
It's colour coordinators for the steps. Oh, let me bath. No,
It's as you get older, everybody just
I've always bathed. You just have never
have
noticed
a
it.
bag with lots of stuff in it.
Look.
Yan, papunta na kami sa taas. Mag-aakit kami sa step. Yung makikita nyo, Batu Caves, marami nagpipicture dyan. Maraming tao dito na nagpipicture. Kasi nga, ang ganda ng place. Yan, makikita nyo yung mga birds sa ibabaw. Ang ganyan. Tingnan nyo yung sobrang laking statwa dito. Yan. Then ang step, hindi ko alam kung ilang step yan paakyat. Parang nakakalula pababa. Then medyo mahaba na pag-aakyat natin sa taas. Kasi nga parang ang dami ng step, parang 1,000 step to bago ka makarating doon sa pinakataas. Then yan yung entrance niya. Oh. Siya ba? Ah. We go here. Oh, tignan nyo naman yan, guys. Iba-iba yung color. Oh, my goodness. I'm in the other side. It's so hard going up here. Whew. I need to relax.
Yeah, we're definitely getting our steps in today for sure. I wonder how many people spend
Oh, my goodness.
100,000,
Grabe naman ito.
maybe a lot more than that.
Maybe 1,000 step this one? You think?
I don't know, I've read maybe below that actually.
Below that?
Maybe.
Look like, oh my goodness.
Oh, it's really nice behind you there too. Like,
Yeah.
there's a big statue.
Tingnan niyo yung statue niya. Sobrang laki at saka yung background niya. Then yung cave yan sa gilid. Na si Mami Paula.
How are you cooking, Mama?
Grabe yung exercise namin dito.
Thumbs up for goodness. Do like go for it.
Kailangan mo magpahinga pag napagod ka na dito. Oh my goodness, man.
Tell me just give me a hand.
So scary here, Mami. Yan, iba-iba ang kulay ng step. Nakakapagod man, uy. Pahiningal na ako dito, guys.
A little bit. Oh no, bricks are for lunch, Mummy. No, we need to keep on going. How are you finding it, love?
I felt okay, but I think if we're going down there in the top, it's so hard. Like I feel like, I need some seat or something. Oh my goodness.
Right?
Oh my goodness.
That far and Mummy can't breathe.
Tingnan nyo guys yung view doon yan, no, yung mga tao doon. Then yung step. Kailangan mo na magpahinga bago mag-akyat. Nakapagod. Ang step yan, oh, may monkey. Oh no. They're in your mouth. Oh no, Mommy, look like. I'm going up. Oh no. Let's go na, let's go. Ano naman yung unggoy. Ang dami kasing unggoy dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Everywhere, more monkey.
You were looking at me. So it's because you're doing that, like,
Oh
and then
my
it's swinging,
goodness.
isn't it? So I don't know how
Yun na guys, malapit na kami sa pinakataas. Then makikita nyo naman yung view guys, oh. Malapit na kami sa pinakataas. Wow. Then yung step, makikita nyo sa pinaka dulo, sobrang haba. Yan, ang taas. Yan si Mami Paula at saka si Delon. Nagre-relax. How are you, Delon?
I'm okay, love. It's a bit difficult of a trek, but I mean, it's not as tough as other people have told me before, but it still is tough though.
Yeah,
Wait until
look
you
at
get
that.
down to the final.
That's true, like, I haven't
Yeah.
got into the actual cave
Yeah,
yet, so
true.
it's possible it gets even more, so.
I
You've
think
sunk
so.
it down.
It's a good exercise, Mommy.
Well, it reminds me of childhood when we used to come down our stairs and used to get in like sleeping bags and stuff and slide down the stairs. This would be the most
Awesome.
epic one.
Yeah, maybe. Mag-drinks muna tayo, guys.
Right, I'm gonna keep
We need drinks
Just
for
have-
energy.
Yeah, bring drinks, bring snacks.
Yep, oh,
100%
definitely.
bring a sandwich, like,
Yep.
and some caffeinated or sugary drinks, definitely.
Oh
And
my
water too.
goodness. Yeah, true. For energy to climb. Yun na si Mami Paula, nauna na. Let's go down. Oh my goodness. I think in here, like, nearly easy because I feel like it's nearly to the end, the step, but I don't know, there's some, ouch! My toe. Oh my god.
Did you just whack your toe in?
Yeah. I walk
I think it's easy. And then,
Yeah, true.
I feel like Rocky Balboa when he gets up the steps then.
Finally, we arrived here, Mommy. Woohoo! Tingnan niyo
We're so
yung
high, we
place.
can't even see. Like,
Hindi niyo makita na yung ibang steps sa sobrang taas.
imagine throwing a paper airplane
Yan na.
and getting a good one.
Ganyan yung iba nagpipicture dito. Tingnan natin.
A drone here would probably be fun, like that sort of stuff.
Sige din. Oh. Oh my god.
Oh, it's nice, but you're feeling the coolness. It's gonna get
Yeah,
colder.
it's cold here. Yan. Ang loob. Ang lamig dito sa loob ng kuweba. Ang dami pa palang step dito. Paakyat, pababa. Sobrang lapad dito sa loob. Doon yung makikita niyo yung mga statwa.
Now we're doing my famous shot.
Doon yan makikita niyo yung mga design dito sa loob. Doon yung cave. Tingnan niyo naman. Tingnan niyo yung loob ng kuweba dito banda. Matanaw niyo yung sa itaas. Wow! Look at that. So nice view. Then merong step paakyat. Then makikita niyo yan. Maraming step na naman paakyat. Ang view.
Okay, so we've made it to more steps. Yet more steps, definitely.
Yes, yan yung loob. Kung makita niyo yung ibabaw. Wow. Ang ganda dito guys. Yung stop. Bali pang apat na cave na ito. Then makikita nyo naman yung loob. Yan. Then makikita nyo yung labas doon. Yan. Then ako ngayon dito. Nagpapahinga kasi ngayon si Delon at saka si Mami Paula. Doon nakaupo sa kabila. Dito kasi walang medyong tubig. Yan makikita nyo yan, cave yan. Yan sa background. Then merong seat dito na pwede ka magpahinga. Then mamaya bababa na kami. Hindi niya makikita nyo yung mga tao nagpipicture yan pababa.